Hey, welcome to day one of your 2 week full body mobility challenge. Thank you for joining me and celebrating my birthday this month as we step into the new year. Now, over the next 10 minutes, we're going to be gently resetting our nervous system and we're flowing from the neck through our thoracic spine using our breath. This challenge is about consistency, presence, and learning to move with intention, not force. All you need today is your body, your mat, and an open mind. Let's begin. All right, here we go. Meet me on the mat. Finding ourselves in a cross-legged position. Spine is straight. And when you're ready, we're going to be starting off with 2 minutes of deep diaphragmatic breathing. All right. So when you're ready, taking a nice deep inhale, filling up your belly, the side of your ribs, the upper chest, holding at the top for about 5 seconds, exhaling through your mouth, from the upper chest, side of the ribs, collapsing through the belly. Find your own rhythm, filling up the belly, the side of your ribs, your upper chest, keeping the shoulders down, and then exhaling through your mouth. Now here you're going to move at your own pace, feeling what your body is going through. How does it feel on the mat? Can you start to sense the surroundings? What are your surroundings? Are your surroundings starting to fade away? Just keep this rhythm. There's nothing else but you and I in this moment. Setting our intentions for the workout. It's not really a workout, but connection, for this connection with our mind, our breath, and our bodies. Nice. Inhaling through this belly, side of the ribs, upper chest, making sure we're not tensing in our neck. Holding at the top, then exhaling slowly through our mouth. Nice. Great job. Just shaking it off gently. Feeling that nice little buzz from just getting present. We're going to get into our neck cars, cervical rotations for anyone who's new. Tucking our chin down towards our chest, scraping it along our chest towards our left shoulder, tilting our left ear down towards the left shoulder, tilting our head up, looking over the ceiling and rotating so that you're looking over your right shoulder. Tuck that chin down towards your chest and scrape it all along your chest until you're back to center. Going down to your chest, scraping your chin along your chest until you're looking over your right shoulder. Dip that right ear down towards the right shoulder, looking up towards the ceiling, rotating your neck until you're looking over that left shoulder, scraping that chin down and along your chest until you're back to center. Great. And just keep going this way back and forth, down towards your chest, rotate to the left, tilting that ear down towards the left shoulder, making sure the head comes down, not the shoulder coming up to the head, okay? Rotating over until you're looking over that right shoulder, scraping that chin down towards your chest until you're back to center. Nice. Tucking your head down, chin gets to your chest, scrape it along your chest until you're looking over that right shoulder, dipping the right ear to the right shoulder, extending in that head and the cervical spine until you're looking over that left shoulder, scraping your chin down towards your chest until you're back to center. This feels good. Tuck that chin down towards your chest. Scrape it along your chest until you're looking over your left shoulder. Dip that left ear to the left shoulder. Extend, look up to the ceiling and rotate until you're facing over that right shoulder. Tuck that chin down and scrape along your chest until you're back to center. That feels good. I know that feels good. You should feel the muscles around your neck, the base of your skull, tingling, just awake. You may have felt some tight spots here and there as you're going through it, but that's good. We're waking things up. We're lengthening, we're strengthening, bringing some fluidity to the joints. All right, now we're going to do 1 minute of cervical nods, upper cervical nods in particular. So what I want you to do here is focus on really creating a double chin, right? And when you create this double chin, you're just nodding your head. So bringing your chin as if you want to bring it down towards your chest, but not really. So you're not going to look down fully as we did the neck rotation. You're just going to create a double chin and feel that stretch at the base of your skull. And you just keep going back and forth. Double chin, come out of the double chin. Double chin, come out of the double chin. So you're doing an upper cervical nod. And just keep going at your own pace. We're not doing anything fast here. Finding a good, relaxed rhythm. Nice. Don't forget to breathe. Awesome. Creating that nice double chin. You can even hold it if you want it and feel that stretch at the very base of your skull, very, very top, where all those muscles from your neck and shoulder go and attach to your head. Almost there. A few more nods here. Feeling that gentle tug and stretch at the back of your skull. Nice. Really, really great. Loving the peace and tranquility surrounding this session for today. We're moving on to eye tracking movement. So you can use your finger, just as I'm doing here, or you can use an object if that's better for you. Sometimes people would like to track something larger, right? It just makes it easier. So up to you. But in the same position here, you're just going to follow the object with your eyeballs. Nothing else is moving, okay? So right here, I'm tracking my finger out to the side, back to center, up, then down. All that's moving are my eyeballs. And then I use my other hand just to make it easy so I can have more range of motion as I'm moving to the other side. Okay? You're going for about a minute here. Go at your own pace, as always, right? It's not about matching what you're seeing on the screen. It's about going with what you're feeling. Remember, told you this is the theme, intentionality. This is what we're going with. We're not going for style, and sexy rhythms. This is about intentionality. So listen to what your body is telling you. If you're feeling like a good amount of tension tracking your eyes in one direction, you might want to hold that for a little bit. Or maybe you just might want to come out of it much sooner than, let's say, I'd be tracking in one direction or somebody else's. It's all about what feels good to you, what feels like good relief and dispersion of tension, okay? Nice. There you go. Almost there. You're doing good. Feel that tension relief. I know I felt it right at the top of my skull, particularly when I looked up. So clearly that line of tension, is specific for me. But you may feel it somewhere else. So now we're going to meet supine on your back on the mat. For anyone with more of a hyper curved low back, you can bend your knees and keeping that spine flat on the ground. We're going to be starting with some neck side bends. So keep your shoulders down and you're just going to gently lift your head off the ground and then move your ear or your head side to side, aiming to bring the ear down towards the shoulder and not the shoulder up towards the ears, okay? And you'll feel this really fire up and engage the front of your neck, right? So you may go for a couple of reps and feel tired and you can stop, and that's totally fine. And then you can start all over again, okay? Just as I've done here. And I felt it in my jaw as well. Anyone with TMJ issues, you may feel that here, but that's totally fine. Here we're looking to wake things up, bring fluidity to them, and then move with intention as we give them relief and release. And you'll feel the relief and release in the next movement. So just keep going, take rest when you need to. Awesome. Now the complete opposite of this one will now be moving into a cervical extension. So what you'll be doing is you'll be pressing your head down into the mat. Now I don't want you here to tuck your chin down, right? We're not nodding. You're keeping your chin, not up, like you're pretty much neutral. You're in the neutral position and you're just pushing the back of your head into the ground, holding for about 10 to 15 seconds and then releasing. And so we're going for as many reps as we can here in this minute. And again, I say reps, but this is not about speed. This is really just about feeling. Feel that contraction at the back of your head. When you get to the end point of where you feel you can comfortably hold it, then release, relax, feel the blood flow, feel your nervous system kick in, flush through your body, go back into it again. Okay? Awesome. All right. So that was day 1 of our birthday mobility series. Thank you for joining me today. I always love to rinse, anyone who's been to my classes, rinse. So I'm just rinsing here with some neck cars, just as we did in the beginning of the video. It's just rotating. There's a lot of sensation happening in and around the neck area, and this is just a good way of tying everything in that we just did. So very simple, very easy way of being able to de-stress. So I hope you feel as good as I do having done this. Feel more centered and grounded, and now you can tackle your day. Love y'all. See you tomorrow.